Welcome back to this Tuesday show. We're starting a new weekly segment in 2025. Every week, you're going to get your questions answered by attorney Trey Harrell on this Trey Helps segment. He helps the Lowcountry recover after auto accidents and injuries, and he wants to help you. Trey is here with us live. Trey, welcome to Palmetto Life. We're so excited to have you.
Thanks for having me. Yeah.
Happy New Year.
Happy
and this
New
is
Year.
a new year for us at Palmetto Life, and we're so excited that you will be joining us.
Yeah.
First, let's hear a little bit about you. I know people have probably seen you. Trey Helps, but what should we know about you and your firm?
Well, I'm very excited to be here. Thank you for having me. I'm a third-generation Charlestonian. My wife and I, my ridiculously good-looking and very, very patient wife, and I raised our two kids over in Mount Pleasant. So we love the Lowcountry, been here, don't plan on going anywhere. My firm I opened up after I left the U.S. Attorney's Office, and we have only 5-star reviews on Google, so we're very blessed for that. So if someone's in an auto accident and they need an attorney, feel free to give us a call.
Yeah, let's get into that. That's what we're going to be talking about today. So when should someone hire a car accident attorney and why?
Yeah, I don't think every accident is you need an attorney in certain situations. I think if you're seriously injured or if the insurance company is giving you the runaround on it. Because what you've got to remember is when you're in an auto accident, and it's not about jackpot justice or just getting a big check. The most important thing you got to focus on is making sure you're okay and getting back to where you were before the collision, or as close to where you were before the collision. And sometimes that involves a lawyer, sometimes it doesn't. But if you are getting that pushback from the insurance company, then you're not going to get back. Or if you're seriously injured, then you're not going to get back with a little bit of help. So if either of those two things are occurring, you need to reach out and get some help, and Trey helps.
Yeah, definitely. Trey does help.
Yeah.
What are the qualities, what should people be looking for in that car accident attorney?
Yeah, I think personally, I think the most important qualities are finding somebody who's authentic and approachable. Authenticity is so crucial because you've got to know that the attorney's going to be straight with you. They're not going to sugarcoat anything. They're going to really talk it out with you and do that. And approachable, you're going to be going through some stuff and you're going to have lots of questions. So you need to make sure you can approach that attorney and ask those questions.
Yeah. And you're very approachable. I would say this just from doing this segment from you.
Thank you.
I know you'll be great at that for sure. So how are attorney fees paid out from these cases?
Yeah. At my office, can't speak for every office, but at my office, we work on what's called a contingency fee. So if someone's been in an auto accident, we don't get paid unless they get paid, plain and simple. So there's no risk. If an insurance company, and the consultation's free. So if an insurance company is giving you that pushback or you're just confused about something, give us a call. And we're happy to walk through you, and it doesn't cost anything. There's no risk. So it's a situation where we're just here to help. If you have a legal question, it's right down there. You can give us a call at 636-TREY or visit us online at treyhelps.com.
Great Instagram as well.
Instagram, TikTok, wherever you want to find us. Hopefully you can find us there. And we're just happy to answer whatever questions we can and do what we can for you.
Yeah, we got a little bit over a minute left. I want to ask you too, why is it so important to you to be on this platform and talk to the community about all of this? Because I know it is stressful for people and it's confusing a lot of the time as well.
I think that's it. And I think we've been conditioned in society that attorneys are ridiculously expensive or they're too stuffy. Or all of those bad stereotypes about attorneys. And I think that, just being somewhere where you can be approachable and you can be out there and people know they can call you and ask you a question are fine with it. We're very blessed to have all 5-star reviews. And a handful of those reviews come from people who call our office, and it's not a case we can take that we refer out and get them to some other local lawyer in the community that can help them do it. And we're happy to do that. We do auto accidents, but if you're hurt on the job or you're having a real estate issue or you have a run-in with the law, give us a call. We'll get you to where you need to go.
Yeah, we're going to put up your information one more time right there. It's so easy to contact Trey. Remember, Trey Helps, of course. So if you want more information, again, visit treyhelps.com. Follow them on social media at Trey Helps or call 843-636-8739 or Trey, right?
636-TREY,
Yeah. Trey, thank you so much for being here. Happy New Year and welcome to Palmetto Life. We're so excited to have you.
Thank you.
Of course.